Welcome to Sek Math Academy. In this lesson, we are going to see CBSE Grade 12 Maths, exercise 7.4, question number 1. Robo, tell me the question number 1.
Question number 1 is integration of 3x square divided by x raised to 6
X raised to 6
plus 1.
plus 1. dx. Okay. Tell me the 3 formulas. Actually, we have 6 formulas: x squared minus a squared, 1 by a squared minus x squared, 1 by a squared plus x squared. Yes, these 3 formulas we are having. Now, this is in which format?
Fraction.
No, whether this format or this format or this format. This question.
It is in
This
that
format.
format, yeah.
Okay. So, but what is the difference between this and this?
About the denominator's power.
Denominator power. And another one you didn't tell.
And the
Numerator
numerator.
is 3x squared.
Yeah.
You have to eliminate the numerator. Numerator what we want?
1.
1. But denominator is having x power 6.
Yeah.
Okay. I will do it. Okay. Integration of 3x squared dx divided by x power 6 plus 1. Okay. This I am writing 3x squared divided by 1 plus x power 6
Yeah.
dx. Okay, because we have it with 1 by a squared plus x squared.
Yeah.
Okay, but our problem is it is 3x squared. Another problem is x power
X
6.
power 6.
So what should be there? Here, instead of power 6, should be the square should be there.
Yeah.
Right? Clear?
Yeah.
Now come here. So it should be 1 plus x cube square dx 3x squared. But another problem, we should not have the numerator. Numerator should be 1.
1.
Oh, okay. Now let u equal to x cube. When you take u, you have to be very careful to choose the u. That u should be eliminate the unwanted portion so that we can integrate. Okay. Now u equal to x cube. So what is du by dx? 3x squared dx. But what we have it 3x squared dx. So it is very simple. So du by dx is 3x squared. So du equal to 3x squared dx. Right?
Yeah.
So this portion is du.
du.
X cube is u. So now tell me square root of du by 1 plus u squared. This is our normal inverse formula. Tan inverse u.
1
What is u?
1 by a.
Here a is 1 only. Good.
Oh.
Here a is our, we can take our normal integrations. Normal integrations 1 by root of 1 minus x squared. You understand? So tan inverse u plus c. We can stop here. Why?
Because we have to take about tan, because tan is there.
No. Another one step to be done. Tan inverse x cube plus c. Copy down. Copy down clearly. When I am writing, when I am explaining itself, you copy down. Clear?
Yes.